Hope you are good. Hope you are doing fine. Yes, please, thank you for subscribing, and I'd like you to subscribe for more. Hit the like button and share this. So today we are going to talk about um, Launchpad. How are you going to gain from Launchpad, or when Binance uh, launch a new coin, and that coin you cannot find it anywhere. So that is the major topic we are going to handle right now. Please, this is not a financial advisor. Do your due diligence and also research for more of the topics, or research something which will try to invest before investing. So guys, that is it, and let us go on a Launchpad. It's right here. So today, no, last week, Binance launched. It's going to launch. Oh, it has put some Launchpad, a coin. This coin, it is Lazio fun token. It's going to be launched. It's under a Launchpad. Guys, as you can see, we are 2 days and 23 hours 15 minutes when they are going to launch this. So guys, I want you to understand this. There is a difference between a Launchpad and a Launchpad. Today we are going to look at a Launchpad. How will you benefit when Binance launches a coin or a token, guys? So that is it. It is Lazio fund token. It's the one we're going to look at because it's under the main in the Launchpad. That is it. As you can see, guys, they already calculated my Binance, and they think it will benefit those people who have Binance tokens or coins in their account. And you can see they already calculated 0.01, and this cost, it costs you one Lazio token. It is equivalent to $1. So if you calculate mine, you will get some coins. Yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Try to do your own research about the things. So guys, let us talk how you will participate in this new project. So right away, you have to be with your Binance. So here they say that my average Binance holding amount, it is 0.01 Binance every 2 past 30 Binance each day they update. So these are the people who can participate, or the accounts which can participate in this project. So those people who are holding a Binance in a spot account, futures account, saving account, sub account, BNB vote, margin account, FET account, card account, and Launchpad account. Those are the people who will benefit when they are launching this Launchpad. You get? That is the thing. And you're seeing here under, that is in the calculation rule, whereby they get that BNB from your account, they calculate it. After they launch that coin, they will give back, your Binance coin will go back to your account. Get me right? They remove from your account, Then after calculating and also doing everything they have to do, they will give you this token depending on your value of your BNB. That is it, guys. So whereby they will calculate, you have, first of all, you have to do a KYC variation, you validate your account, then they will look at it. That is, guys, that is the only thing I wanted to mention about this, to benefit also from this new token they are going to release. Yes, guys, please subscribe for more, like, share. God bless you.